Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to be taking all the windows out and
The three that we have.
maybe the roof. Maybe the roof will be another episode, but maybe we'll get the roof off today as well. First video should be coming out soon. Last video didn't have any sound, but we're going to have to dub over it, but whatever. Little mistake. So hopefully we got video today. My name is Ray.
Jordan.
This is Jordan. And what'd you name her?
Evangeline.
Evangeline.
Get it?
Evangeline.
She's a van.
And we're gonna be doing a Subaru swap to it at some point. But right now we're getting everything stripped off of it and getting the body work done. There's some rust areas, and bring you along for the journey.
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna start by trying to cut the weather strip out and try to get this glass out without breaking it, damaging it. Got a brand new blade on this utility knife. We're gonna be getting all new weather strips anyways. It seems to be cutting pretty easy. This window has a little vent window in it too. I'm not really sure how that's gonna come out, but all right, why don't you give it a little bit of a push out right here? Just easy. No?
No. Well, because you have one on this side too.
No, I know, but it should pop out. Let me try. Well, that doesn't want to move. All right, let's give it a little tap. Very gentle. Yeah, there we go.
It might be stuck right here. There's like a little, there it comes. It's coming out. There it is, there it is, there it is.
There we go.
One down. 2.5 more to go.
All right, let's see if we can get this little piece out. They do make all the weather strips for these buses, which is a good thing because these are all 50 years old, almost 50 years old. So there it goes.
Hold on, get all that out, yeah.
Okay.
Whoa.
There we go.
Got it.
All right, it's out. Hopefully it's easier going back in. Not too bad. Oh, you got a screw there, and then it slides out. Cool. Well, that's one.
One full one.
So not too bad. A couple little rust holes. We'll get a close up of that later. Right now, I'm going to get this piece off. I'm going to try anyways. A couple of Phillips screws. I'm sure these have never been off. All right, there's no more, right? No. The rust was holding on better than the screws were. There we go. And it's off. Oh, this one's got screws. Well, that makes it a little bit easier. Let me go get a screwdriver. So at some point we'll show you our our system for tagging and bagging, as they like to call it in the body shop biz.
Where's the toe tag? You got
You
it.
got it?
Yep.
All right, and now for the final window for today. And I think we learned from the first one that we probably should cut it out from the inside.
Okay, hold it.
Huh?
Hold it, because I'm gonna get this rubber strip out.
It won't come out the bottom. Here.
Get that off of there. Where am I putting this?
There you go.
Bam!
So it's not too bad. Couple little rust holes. Nothing we can't fix. The front window looks perfect. Show the front window. There you go. And then this other side over here, a little bit better than the other side. A couple little holes in the corners. But we should be able to clean them up. And obviously, once we grind it down, we'll see a little bit more and how much we have to fix.
This is the windshield. We pulled this one out about a year ago. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I almost just fell into the engine. I didn't know there wasn't a cover.
Push it. Come on.
I'm trying. we got. Welcome back.
Today we're going to get the top off. We're going to start by taking the bolts out for this. Gotta be careful.
It's gonna come down at you.
Yeah.
You want me to get in there?
No. So I'm just taking the back side out, and then when I lower it down, I should be able to get the other bolts. But there's 4 bolts in the front and 6 bolts in the back.
You want them all in the same baggie?
Yep. I think I'm going to have to get the air ratchet. This is taking forever.
Is it even loosening? Is it stuck?
No, it's not. That's because there's nuts on the bottom.
What do you need?
All right, so it's going to be easier with the top down. And then got a couple of 10mm bolts here. We should be able to get out. Keep going.
Yep. Well, while he's there, this is the baggie system. This has all our top hardware in it. So exterior and interior. And there's all these other ones. What system it is. And
well, top is off. It's actually hanging from the rafters right now. We don't have a video of that because it was a little hairy and a little scary, and we almost took our heads off. But anyways, it's off. Next step, we got to get the brackets off and the front piece, which you can't see right now. We're gonna have to do a little bit of repair to that front piece if we use it again, but I'm not sure if we're using it again. We may just put a little luggage rack up there instead. And that looks like all the nuts and bolts. Take this piece down. And we should be able to get that out. It's a little heavy.
I got it.